going out like a sucker, no way.
Those tacos for lunch were awfully tasty, but they were filling. I flashed my badge off and let this one dude into the building. I drink my dew and code my C. Stack Overflow is all I need. Pass out at 12, wake up at 9. I bike to work and I'm there in time. I wanna work at Cisco for the rest of my life, where I eat free popcorn and my boss is nice. If I'm a rookie intern or a new hire, I'll still get Chipotle to my heart's desire. To start the day, I ride the VTA, fill my coffee cup, caffeine, that's what's up. I am relaxing even if they taxin', stipend axin', no questions asking. If the boss looks, I'm not on Facebook, better not be napping, I know what'll happen. Time goes faster when you're not a slacker. Woke up today and went to Cisco.
Yo, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come on now, that's not how it's done.
Sophonious. 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 This is a day in the life of Sophonious. Back from LA with $6.50. Gotta spread it out until payday. Meanwhile, got meetings with folks up in Bombay. Lunch comes up, don't know what to eat. Got a break room full of popcorn treats. Must turn it down, much more extravagant. Roll up Chipotle, burritos are adequate. Back at work, it's about to. Gotta snooze. Ate a lot of food. After the laptop, checking on my postals. Got an invite for an ice cream social. Grab intern buddies, do it on the double. Don't want to walk, call a Cisco shuttle. Walk in with hustle as my plan. Ended up leaving with a Cisco flip cam. Ended one day in the life of Sophonious. Glorious, furious, notorious. Sophonious. Sophonious. Sophonious.